Namaste dosto, welcome to Kismet Connection. Today I'm going to talk about the Dhan Potli that we are making on this Diwali occasion. So these are some of the contents which we're going to have in the Dhan Potli, like Gomti Chakra, Kaudis, then the Gunja beads, different colors ke, then 9 planets ke chura hai, chips, then Rudraksh, pyrite chips, Sri Yantra crystals ka, then the Lakshmi pyramid. Then there are some other items which I cannot tell you for the obvious reasons because these are very secret to, it's my personal combination. On top of that, each one of you will get these 3 yantras that you have to keep in your cash box or tijori. I recommend that you keep it in your cash box or tijori or the bag. Some people are keeping in their wallet or the pocket, but we go to washroom, so it's not recommended that you keep it in your with you all the time. So keep it in your safe box or the tijori. These are very, very powerful yantras which are handmade. And this 1 rupee note and the 10 rupee note is very significant because the total is should be 1, or last digit should be 1, or the total, even if the total is also 1, then it's nothing like it is most powerful. But having a last digit 1 of 1 rupee note or 10 rupee note is very, very highly attractive proposition. So, and we pay a premium to get this last digit 1 because it's not easily available. First thing is 1 rupee notes are not easily available, and to get last digit 1 is very, very, we have to pay high premium to 1 rupee note and 10 rupees note. So this is what all you get in Dhan Potli, and it's very powerful. So you can keep it in your cash box, as I said earlier, or the tijori. We will be delivering, we will start delivery after 6th of November because we will do all the things that you require, Dhan Puja and everything. We will take care of that. So it's gonna be ready to use for you all. So please DM me if you have any questions, or there is only limited 6 left of the order. So please first come first serves. We are not making more than what numbers I have suggested in my flyer. So please DM me if you have any questions. Thank you very much. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.